before graduation.
Dahil hindi naman tayo nagto-talk for today kasi busy mag-prepare, I'm just going to narrate, okay? So this is a cup sleeve event na we did sa IVE page to celebrate yung 2 years ng fan meet ng IVE and the 1 year of their concert. Ang assigned sa akin is a document. So you can see me here is documenting and getting the B-rolls. Ito yung POV shot ng kids if ever, if they had eyes. Another thing, yung mga decorations, ako pumili niyan, di ba? Ang galing ko talaga. It's a holographic party. It's a silver party. Siyempre, may motif din ang kulay, di ba? Pero nawindang ako dito, sobrang laki. Yung hininga ko parang magbo-blow away na rin. Nung nagsidating na ang mga people, I had to juggle naman documenting and also helping out sa registration kasi hindi siya carry ng isang tao. Hey, ang dami.
Hindi ko nakukulit yung resibo nila. Ito pong matcha cookie and then cookies and cream ice blended.
Sa matcha cookie, dalawa, ay isa lang.
Tapos naging tatlo. Okay.
Pwede naman, ma'am.
Ano yun? Sino may birthday?
Ano siya? Anniversary ng K-pop group.
Ano pag-check, wala namang may birthday.
They're so nice.
Okay, work na tayo. Work. For the laugh. Kasi kami yung questions quiz na nahihirapan ng everyone. The thing is, if media person ka, it's either late ka talagang kakain or kakain ka habang nagtatrabaho. Wala talagang in between.
Well, 5, 6, 78.
O diba, biglang may pamat? Ayan, tapos na. For the remembrance photo of everyone.
Pwede akong mag-stop.